Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. It's about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. I just got off of work and I had court, so it's actually my interview dress. So I have a little newscastery. So let's get into the FabFitFun what I chose today. We'll see if it goes up today or tomorrow. And it's been kind of weird. Thing I will say is I've gone on to change my selections a couple times and they keep adding some of the items they had spoiled. It's like they weren't there before, but now they're there. And then one customization, again, they keep adding things because I remember being like, I don't remember every single thing that I talked about. So if you are an annual member, it opened at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, and it closes on April 21st at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. And I did buy a couple items during, I forgot, they have sales all the time. One is for our new puppy, who will be coming next Saturday. So, well, we'll be getting her next Saturday. And then I got, well, actually I think I got both, and I got her a bandana. So hopefully that fits her. So, and there's also a flash sale that's live right now. Again, they have sales all of the time. The add-ons, I did get a couple add-ons, but I might, I don't know, like take some things off. I thought there's gonna be better things. Last box, there was, I don't know, better options. And I'm getting a couple things for Mother's Day. If you can hear, Reggie my tortoise is eating his kale and his little salad. So let's get into my box. I just removed an item because my husband talked me out of it. So let's get started. One item I thought was removed from a customization, but now it's back. So I don't know what's happening. Customization 1, I picked out the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Face Serum. I'm getting that for my mother-in-law. It's an extra 20 bucks. And I picked the Black Chroma Quencher Stanley. And then I was on the fence with the toothbrush, but I don't know. The head might be too big. But this is one of the items this is one of the customizations that I did not see the Luxe choice. Not that I was going to pick it, but I didn't see that originally. They have, you know, the teaks, whatever, the liners, the shoesies. And then I'm still kind of pissed about. And then customization number 2, I picked the Sahira Jewelry Candy Crush Beaded Bracelet. And I picked the Eugenia Kim Straw Bucket Hat, which would be an extra 18 bucks, but my husband doesn't think I'll use it. I do think it's not worth $165. And no, I'm not a big hat person. Also, I did not see this Supergoop Skin Tint on my phone. And one of these shades is unavailable currently. And then for customization number 3, the vibrator. I'm not monetized, so I can't be demonetized. The vibrator was not a selection. I'm still debating getting the Day Hair Clarifying Shampoo. I was looking on Sephora and there's very mixed reviews. Some people say it's horrible. Some people say it's the best clarifying shampoo they've ever used in their entire life. And I also did not see the Kapari Mist. I actually forgot about them until I went back on here. And so I picked the Kana Poly Coast. And you can spend an extra $14 to get an additional item. Also didn't see the mattifying spray from One Size. So I kind of want this shampoo, but do I need it? No. I use a lot of drugstore shampoos. And which are still good. Customization number 4, I picked the Ilia Beauty Eye Stylist in the shade Adorn. Still, this might be my least favorite customization of them all. And then customization number 5, I picked I also did not really like this one. The Bush Balm Ingrown Hair Exfoliating Scrub. I know this is going to be, hopefully it doesn't irritate me. I do like scrubs, but this is supposed to be for like, you know, the bikini area and the legs, and I don't really exfoliate down there. Let me know if you do. That's fine. Let me know if scented products usually have a reaction there. This one I also like. They added some other items too, which some of them are from previous boxes, but I don't know. I just wasn't. Almost got the Topicals Clarifying Mist, but I don't know. They have the Bloom Gummies, which I think they're like kind of like an MLM. Let's see, customization number 6. You know, I still really like that compact green pill organizer. And that shower gel does smell nice. Does sound like it would smell nice. I got the Nude No Show Extra Lift reusable nipple covers. And I did pick one of the Nude Stick blushes, but because I'm almost out of my one cream blush, but I need to finish this up first. And then maybe I've only tried like one thing from Nude Sticks, or I possibly gifted it to my mom. So, you know, that would be an additional $13, but I don't need it. And then let me tell you my add-ons currently. I think I'm done with my box. I want to get another Innisfree sunscreen because I feel like I'm running low on mine and I really like it. And I only got it for like $3 last time. So last box. I'm also getting, so for add-ons, I'm getting the Gruffy's Original Organic Dog Treats, again, for my puppy. $2.99 instead of $6.99, so like not saving a lot, but anything better than nothing. And then also from Murad, the Science of Healthy Skin Lift Resculpt with Retinol. I'm getting for my mother-in-law. Instead of $59.99, it's $29.50. So there's a couple of Murad stuff, but fragrance-wise, I don't know. I'm just not. The add-ons are just like okay. Nothing really to write home about personally. There's some items that I'll put here, but yeah, I don't know. Let me know how you're feeling because I don't. Sometimes add-ons are good and then other times they're not. So we'll have to see what for fall. Fall is usually, I think, honestly the best box as well as the best for add-ons. And then I'll put all the dates down below. Ooh, I'm looking all tan. I got a little bit of a tan because I went out in the sun, but also it's the lighting in here and it's the end of the day. So yeah, let me know. I'll put all the dates down below. And I did post all of the spoilers, even though now the spoilers are all available on the app as well as the website. And yeah, let me know what you're choosing or what you would have chosen, or are you swapping for credit? I think this is the last box you can do that for. And are you getting any add-ons? Let me know. Also, what are we getting our moms or not getting our moms, or anybody who is a mother figure, or what are we asking for Mother's Day? Let me know. Even though my husband's birthday is next Saturday. And then we'll do a video with my puppy. And if you like this video, please give it a hype, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.